Hey guys, JJ Proven Canine Training in Amarillo, Texas. We are here and this guy is going home. You've watched him. He was super aggressive with us, super ready to eat me, ready to eat my kennel techs. We all fought through a whole bunch with him. Today he's been out to Tractor Supply. Apollo's done a lot of great things. You can see him now laying down in a downstay. What do you guys think, Mom and Dad?
I just didn't think he'll be at this point around other people he's not familiar with. So calm, quiet.
I do see the obedience and structure, and it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
Well structured now. He's a well structured dog now.
He is. He's a great dog. He's got a lot of future ahead of him. He's going to do great. So thank you guys for trusting us with him. And even about, we extended his package in the middle of training to help him get further, and that's where we're at today. So thank you guys for trusting us on that wholeheartedly. All right, guys, if we can help you at all, give us that call, 806-410-0374. Again, I'm JJ, that's Apollo, this is Mom and Dad.
We approve.
And they approve.